Hello everyone, this is another video for day. Your attitude is everything. Yes, change your attitude and that changes your life, right? You all know how important our attitude is. You are not what you think you are, but what you think that you become. A positive attitude is a person's passport to success. And success always begins in mind before it comes into reality. So never underestimate your power to change yourself. Your attitude is your window to the world. Yes, you think, act and talk with enthusiasm and you will attract positive results. Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as success. You have to keep your window clean and bright because your attitude is your window to the world. Think of your attitude as a mental filter through which you experience the world. Whether you see it in positive or optimism or through a filter of pessimism. A person with a negative attitude thinks I can't. A person with a positive attitude thinks I can. A person with negative attitude dwells on problems and finds faults in others. A person with positive attitude looks for solutions, looks for good in others. They focus on their blessings, whereas those in negative attitude focuses on what is missing. Those with positive attitude see possibility, whereas those with negative attitudes see limitations. How different these attitudes are. Are you someone who finds a no in every opportunity or someone who finds a yes? That brings a difference in your life. You can't always control circumstances, but you can control your own thoughts. As a very small child, we were criticized, have failed multiple times, but we always had that courage to wake up, never give up. Think of a toddler trying to walk, sit, move. How many failures would they have been faced? But as we grow up, our windows get splattered by criticism from everyone, by rejection, disappointments, doubt, and we started brooding over it. We never washed our window. We started judging ourselves based on all this, and our attitude becomes crippled there. We lost our inner power. We lost our inner control. There is nothing like good or bad, but thinking makes it so. What is about a happy person? A happy person is not a person in certain set of circumstances, but rather a person with a certain set of attitudes. World always throws so many challenges before you as criticism, negativity, but you always have a choice of how you take it. Whether you build a castle out of it or you destruct yourself out of it. Everything can be taken from a man, but one thing that always determines his destiny is his attitude. He can have lack of sleep, insufficient food, and a whole lot of stress in the world, but he always have a choice of attitude how he take up his life. Without a positive attitude, how can you get success? Without a positive attitude, you can't activate any principles of success. But when you learn to keep your attitude window clear, the light comes pouring on and so your opportunities. We are like a human magnet, right? We become what we think about. When you think positive, your actions are also positive. You emit positive vibrations and whatever reflects back is also positivity. Your circumstances reflect what you have been thinking about. Consider your finances. What are your beliefs in this area? Are you constantly thinking about not having enough money? This itself blocks the flow of money to you. If you think that you are the person who doesn't deserve much, you attract friends and partner into your life who won't treat you well. So how important your attitude is. You can change your thoughts and thereby change your results. What we sincerely believe regarding ourselves is true and becomes true always. All this doesn't happen overnight. It requires effort, commitment, and patience. You have to be very careful about what is the dominant thought you hold about yourself. Are you valuing yourself? Are you having self-worth, self-love? Believe in your capability and power. Then you attract all those positivity into your life. Choose your thoughts wisely. What we sincerely believe regarding ourselves is true for us. Thank you everyone and have a great day.